We down to our last sign, Pisces. We almost an hour into this video, man. If you're still here, leave some comments down below. Leave some hearts. Leave a like on the channel so the algorithm can pick it up. Share this video to others so that they can receive this divine information, light, and understanding. And subscribe to the channel. Become part of the family, baby. Let's get into this last sign. Let's go. This is the Pisces. Now, people consider the Pisces to be Jesus' zodiac sign. Why? Because of the time period that they said that, you know what I'm saying, he existed. Now, you know what I'm saying, if you believe that Jesus actually existed as a physical person, or if you look at Jesus as a characterized representation of the Christ energy, which is a very real thing. So if you're not looking to Jesus, you should be looking to the Christ. Not Christ is in Jesus Christ, but the Christ, understanding the Christ consciousness and stuff like that. Understanding what the Christ energy is, the Christos. This is supposedly Jesus' zodiac sign. Now this is very intriguing because it's like everything to do with this zodiac is represented in the story of Jesus. So we finna get into it right now. Y'all domain is between February 20th and March 20th, right before the Aries come back and restart the cycle. Everything's a cycle, everything's energy. This is your symbol. And y'all are represented by D fish. You know what I'm saying? Neptune being water. Anyways, there's a water sign. Mutable water sign, so they are liable to change. So the very last sign in the zodiac is mutable. So you know what I'm saying, you can work your way backwards if you're trying to, if you memorize the order of the zodiacs and you're trying to remember which ones are mutable, fixed, and cardinal. It always goes cardinal, fixed, and then mutable last. So you can do it that way. Anyways, you know the water sign is emotional. You know the water sign is sensitive and sentimental. You know what I'm saying? This is Pisces, okay? Neptune. Alright, now this is when they get freaky, y'all. Neptune associated with spirituality, Jesus, illusion, imagination, dissolution, and sacrifice. So it's kind of like they knew what they was doing with this story, okay? Jesus having to do with spirituality, illusion, and sacrifice. You know what I'm saying? Dissolution. Anyway, Pisces. Y'all could be very compassionate, artistic, intuitive. Love that. You know, Jesus was the most intuitive. Okay, gentle, wise, musical. You know what I'm saying? Fearful, over trusting. You Pisces, be aware of that. Stop trusting everybody. You gotta be more like an Aquarius. Okay, you gotta snap back a little bit. Y'all more prone to being sad, because y'all probably see the world, you know what I'm saying, for what's going on, you know what I'm saying, but I don't know. That's just me talking. Let's get back into it. So, Pisces desires to escape reality. I feel you, Pisces. That's Jesus all day, but I feel you, Pisces. I'm trying to escape reality too. Okay, so can be a victim. You know, Jesus. You know, Jesus could be a victim now. You know what I'm saying? You know that sacrifice, man. Let's go. And be a victim, or mentally. Not talk about you finna get nailed to no crosses, bro. Like keep it one. Keep it one, you know what I'm saying? So these are friendly people who are willing to help, emotional, that water sign. They are empathetic, generous, and they are faithful. Jesus. Like you see what I'm saying? Like everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything connected with the Jesus story being Pisces. So, you know what I'm saying? It would make sense that this story is supposed to be represented, or the Christ is supposed to express itself through Neptune and through the Pisces energy. It makes sense. Okay. Now, faithful, caring, forgiving. Ooh. Alright, do I gotta say Jesus one more time? Which, Yeshua or Yahweh Shai or Christ or whatever you want to call this guy, you know what I'm saying? Because, clearly these letters weren't even existent back then. So how is his name Jesus? We're going to keep it moving though. You know what I'm saying? It's not about that. Ain't not about that. Okay. Alright. These are wise people, and you know what I'm saying, Pisces has to do with duality. We just left the age of Pisces, you know what I'm saying, good and bad. Right and wrong, left and right, up and down. You know what I'm saying? That's that Pisces. Got something to do with duality. Now, let's get into it. Likes being alone. Y'all sure? Yeah, I was shy, Jesus, you know what I'm saying? The Christ, like being alone, understanding that I am everything. Anyway, I keep going to different video topics. Sleeping. How you like? Don't y'all like sleeping? Y'all Pisces, y'all need to wake y'all ass up. Anyway, music, romance, visual media, swimming. This is what you like. You like that music, that romance, and swimming because you love that water. Go to Neptune. You know what I'm saying? Real about Neptune, that fish. I mean, of course, you gotta love swimming. Dislikes, know-it-alls. So dislikes that Capricorn. Me too. Well, no, I don't dislike nobody based on their sign, but dislikes know-it-alls, dislikes being criticized, and dislikes cruelty. Jesus. Okay. Compatible with Virgos and Taurus, and that is the end of my video.